Tired of feeling like your Basecamp projects are more like a black hole than a well-oiled machine? Let's transform that chaos into calm by implementing Kanban in Basecamp. First things first, let's acknowledge the challenge. Basecamp doesn't have a native Kanban view, but we can easily mimic it using to-do lists. Start by logging into your Basecamp account and navigating to the project you want to apply Kanban to. Now, think of your Kanban columns. The most basic are to do, in progress, and done. But customize these to match your workflow. Create new to-do lists for each of your Kanban columns. Click Add a to-do list and name them appropriately, like to do, in progress, and done. Remember, you can add more columns later, such as blocked or review if needed. Populate your to-do list with all the tasks that need to be completed for the project. As tasks are started, simply drag and drop them to the in progress list. Inside each task, be sure to assign it to a team member and set a due date for clear accountability. This is crucial for visualizing who's responsible for what. Once a task is complete, move it to the done list. Congratulations! You've successfully implemented a Kanban-style workflow in Basecamp. By visualizing your workflow, you can quickly identify bottlenecks, improve collaboration, and ensure your Basecamp projects stay on track. Now go forth and conquer your projects with Kanban power.